5. Run BootCamp Assistant. Use BootCamp Assistant to create partition. Note cannot be changed later and minimum 30 GB required. And download Windows support software drivers. 5.1. Create Windows partition. Note to start with an internal disk with single Mac OS extended. Journal partition only. Launchpad icon greater than other folder greater than BootCamp Assistant greater than continue greater than select tasks greater than. Select create a Windows 7 or later version install disk if installing with ISO on USB. No, because installing from ISO on USB option not demonstrated here. Select download the latest Windows support software from Apple. Yes. Select install Windows or later version. Yes. 5.2. Download drivers using BootCamp Assistant. In Select Tasks Windows Option 2, download the latest Windows support software from Apple was selected and in Save Windows support software window. Save a copy to an external drive option was selected in this demonstration. Note that only one external USB can be attached, so the drivers will be downloaded to the 8 GB 16 GB Windows ISO USB from the previous step. 5.1 Continued. Greater than specify partition size, 30 GB minimum, but I am allocating 100 GB for my Apple Mac. Greater than insert Windows 8.1 full installation disk, or Windows ISO USB. Greater than click install. No. 6. Run Windows installer. Note the Windows 8.1 installation disk, or Windows ISO USB, is not to be removed throughout the installation process. After BootCamp creates Windows partition, restarts and opens Windows installer, follow on-screen instructions. 6.1. Install Windows to partition named BootCamp greater than click drive options advanced greater than format greater than OK greater than next greater than. Video capture is not possible while partitioning. Parts of the installation process are demonstrated here using screen captures from the BootCamp manual. Six point 2. Windows setup includes setup of product ID authentication, region time zone, login password etc. The initial login account is replaced later when linked with Microsoft email account, e.g. Hotmail, which automatically syncs to SkyDrive, Windows free cloud storage. Note that this step is not shown in detail here because BootCamp reboots and Windows setup takes over. Follow the on-screen wizard instructions until Windows 8.1 installation is completed. 7. Install Windows Support software. Note that this step is demonstrated here with screen captures because Windows 8.1 does not include a screen capturing software available in Apple Mac. If Windows Support software installer does not start automatically, or if Windows ISO USB was not plugged in, run setup.exe in BootCamp folder manually. Step 1. Select File Explorer from Desktop System tray. Step 2. Select 8GB, 16GB Windows ISO USB drive. Step 3. Select BootCamp folder. Step 4. Select setup.exe application. Step 5. Select Next greater than, I accept terms in the license agreement, greater than install greater than finish. Step 6. Restart Windows when finished installing. 7.1. A message may appear saying, software you are installing has not passed Windows logo testing. Select Continue anyway. 7.2. Check for updated Windows support software using software update or going to http://www.apple.com/support/bootcamp. This is not required here because the Windows support software were downloaded as part of BootCamp partitioning process in the previous steps downloaded the latest update. 8. Set default operating system. To override default setting and select which operating system to use, when Apple Mac is booting, start up, hold down the option key greater than select OS X or Windows as desired. This Apple Mac will be set to boot from OS X as default. 8.1. Set Mac OS X as default from Windows. BootCamp icon in desktop system tray, or BootCamp, using search charm greater than Mac OS X. Step 1. Select desktop system tray, show hidden icons. Step 2. Select BootCamp icon. Step 3. Select BootCamp control panel. Step 4. Select Macintosh OS X greater than apply greater than OK. Later, if you change your mind, Apple Mac can be set to boot from Windows as default. 8.1. Set Windows as default from Mac OS. Apple menu greater than System Preferences greater than Startup Disk greater than BootCamp Windows. Finished. Updating Windows is recommended next, but not demonstrated here. Look out next for Part 2. Create BootCamp Windows 8.1 virtual machine on Apple Mac using Part1 VM.